Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. If you are new, make sure to click that subscribe button. So in this video, I will be giving you guys finally an updated brow routine video. This video long overdue and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, y'all. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my eyebrows, then please keep watching. I look so weird. So I already grew my brows 3 days ago, but I'm actually letting them grow out, which is why you see random hairs all over the place. I'm trying to grow my brows out because I want them to be fuller again and thicker and just more defined, you know. So I'm just gonna lay off on tweezing them for a little minute. I'm just gonna show you guys how I fill them in basically. So you guys, I use the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, and it's in the number 4. So this is an angled brow pencil, as you guys can see, and I like the pencils that are angled like this. It just defines your brows much easier because they're already slanted, you know, they're already angled. So I'm just gonna line underneath my brows first. And I use a very light hand when I'm in the front, but once I go towards the middle and the end, I put more pressure. Because you always want the front. It's all about what this front is looking like, okay? It's all about what this part, this area right here is looking like, because if this is too bulky and dark, honey, no. it's not gonna look as natural, you know. So once I define the bottom, I'm just gonna start doing that. I suck at explaining stuff, I really do. So you guys know how it's angled. I'm going to turn it until it's at the tip right here. So once you press down and start at that line, you just want to put some pressure on it and then flick up. Just flick the pencil up. It's very easy. It looks more like hairs, you know, it looks more realistic. So I'm just gonna keep doing that in the front. And then I will just define the top. So that is really it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that spoolie on the other side and brush through this. So that is really it, you guys. That is how I create my brow before I clean them up. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side just to really let you guys see what I'm doing. I'm not gonna talk through doing this side. Next, you guys, I'm gonna take the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is everything. Like when you want your brow hairs to stay in place all day, literally all day, My hairs stay in place all day whenever I use this. With the hairs in the front, I brush them up. And then the rest, I just brush them over. They literally stay in place all day, you guys. This is like some glue. You guys can see like little tiny gaps. I don't really fully fill in my brows anymore because little bitty gaps like that, they just make them look more natural, you know. So now this part is optional. I know everybody doesn't like cleaning up their brows. Like, it honestly looks fine like this. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This was in the shade 405 Toffee Caramel. So I'm just gonna clean it up. I just apply a little bit of concealer. The brush that I'm using is a Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush. And you just want to take the concealer and drag it down so it's easier to blend out. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look for my brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you guys try out some of the products that I use. Also, make sure to check out my last video if you guys are interested in this makeup look. I've uploaded and updated go-to makeup routine. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because I am coming with the videos, honey. I love you guys so much and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.